वेलकम एवरीवन। आई होप आप लोग सब ठीक हैं और अपना ख्याल रख रहे हैं और कोविड-19 से बच के रह रहे हैं और उससे डर भी रहे हैं, राइट। आज की हमारी क्लास बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज हम बना रहे हैं एक फार्म जिस पे फार्म एनिमल्स रहेंगे और उसके साइड पे जंगल जहाँ पे जंगल एनिमल्स जाएंगे। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि बच्चे हमारे ये रिकग्नाइज कर सके कि फार्म एनिमल्स कौन से हैं और जंगल एनिमल्स कौन से हैं, ठीक है ना। तो मुझे आपसे कुछ ही चीज़ें चाहिए, वो आपको किसी आर्ट स्टोर पे भी मिल जाएंगी। SOPs के साथ जाना है, उनको फॉलो करते हुए जाना है, और अगर नहीं है तो आपके घर पे कोई भी चीज़ हो हम उसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। इस क्लास के लिए मुझे आपसे चाहिए कुछ ग्रीन पेपर या फॉर्म अगर आपके पास हो। आर्ट स्टोर्स पे इस तरह की फेंसेस मिलती हैं जिनको ये देखें रोहान कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हैं। वो इस तरह की फार्म की जो जहाँ घोड़े रखते हैं उधर की इस तरह की फेंसेस होती हैं, वो कर लें। अगर थोड़े से ट्रीज़ हो जाएं हमारे पास, दैट वुड बी अमेजिंग। दीज आर जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर जंगल ट्रीज़। और थोड़ी सी ग्लू, सिजर, और अगर आपके पास इस तरह की स्टिक्स हैं, आइस लॉली स्टिक्स, दैट वुड बी अमेजिंग, एंड अ फ्यू लिटिल बीड्स ऑफ वुड हियर, ठीक है ना। सो हम बनाएंगे जंगल एनिमल्स एंड फार्म एनिमल्स और एक फार्म और जंगल इटसेल्फ, ठीक है। और यस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ये आपको पीछे गत्ता नजर आ रहा है, कोई भी पुराना गत्ता हो आप उसको निकाल लें। मेक द रैंडम वन, कि ये बिल्कुल नेचुरल है। प्लीज डोंट पुश माई ट्रीज रोहान। ओके, सो हियर इज आवर रैंडम जंगल कमिंग, और इसके बीच में हम प्लेस करेंगे अपने animals. It's going to be a lot of fun. So this is our jungle and farm animal project. Yes, guys?
Yes.
Yes, okay, amazing. So then we will be able to tell everybody कि जंगल में कौन एनिमल रहता है और फार्म पे कौन एनिमल रहता है।
The elephant is carrying it.
Carrying what?
Carrying this.
Oh, the elephant is carrying that. That's
Are
amazing.
who will be the king in your jungle?
Who's the king of the jungle, guys? Do you know what
lion.
animal is the king of the jungle?
The strongest. It starts with the lion.
The lion, yes.
The lion can easily attack the elephant.
The lion can easily attack, but elephant is also very powerful, you know.
But the lion's so sneaky.
Because lion is scared of the elephant because he's tall and he's big and he's fat and he looks very powerful.
But do you know who's much scared of a? Do you know?
Yes.
Elephant is also scared of somebody.
What?
Lion.
Oh wow. Elephant is scared of lion and lion is scared of elephant. ये आपको नजर आ रहे हैं जो हम बना रहे हैं? Very good.
No, Mama. No. No, lions are pretty sneaky. And
Lions are
elephants
pretty
can't remember what lions are doing.
Okay. Elephants can't remember what lions are doing?
No.
Why?
Because they don't have a kind of sense of nose.
Oh, they don't have a sense of smell?
No.
Who? Lion or elephant?
Elephant.
Oh.
The elephant is carrying. But the lion is smart. The lion has a sense of smell.
Amazing, guys. This is such good information that even Mama didn't know. Do you think monkey lives in the farm or monkey lives in the jungle?
Monkey lives in the jungle.
Monkey lives in the jungle. I think that's pretty right.
My farm is
Arif,
dead.
do you think doggies live on the farm or doggies live in the jungle?
Doggies
But that's a question to Arif, Rohan.
Doggies live on the farm.
Yes, that's amazing, guys.
No,
I'm so proud of you.
Doggies are pets. So
Dog.
they live in homes.
Doggies can also be pets, and that is why they're also in a farmhouse.
Hey!
Okay, so look at this, guys. हमारा जंगल कितना cute लग रहा
No,
है.
your jungle is not looking cute. It's looking very ugly. is wrong.
What is wrong? Look, there are trees in the jungle.
You don't have grass.
Well, my grass paper finished. You're right. Okay, so is giraffe?
So give me back.
Aju, you can't climb on top of this. Wait. Guys, wait.
Maybe should I ruin your?
No, please don't ruin our jungle.
Mama.
अच्छा, फिर हम बनाएंगे this fence for the horses to stay. What is it called? Where the horse stays?
A horse keeper.
No.
A horse saver.
No.
Yes, I know.
It is called, well, where horses sleep is called the stable.
No.
Wait,
Can I
Rohan.
tell you something?
No, you don't have to snatch. You can't snatch and be like, I want to tell you something. You have to ask me nicely. And I will have to put this first. So we can make the horses stay, na? Aries, where are your horses going to stay?
Here.
Here. Where? Here. So this is for the horses.
No, this is for the elephant.
No, elephant doesn't live on the farm. Rohan, please don't take it.
No.
Now we have to place all the animals that live in the jungle. Come on, guys. Zebra, jungle or farm?
Farm.
Jungle. What about cheetah? Aries, where does the cheetah live?
In the grass.
Cheetah lives in the grass? No, cheetah lives in the
Jungle.
jungle. Very good. And giraffe?
Oh, not zebra.
Yes, now keep him here. What about a giraffe? Where does the giraffe live? On the farm or the jungle?
Mama, this is where the horses stable have to live.
Okay.
Mama, 2 horses are sharing
Very
the
good.
stable.
Okay, but this
One is
this
the-
has to be outside the fence. So in this corner they can be here. This is too big, Rohan. We have to make this a little smaller.
No.
Please, Rohan. Otherwise, where will the house come? The farmhouse. Okay, what about a lion, Ares? Can you take out a lion?
Mama, I want my apple trees.
Apple trees are finished. I put them in the jungle.
Penguins don't live.
Penguins don't live in the jungle. Lion. Penguins, where do penguins live?
In the snow.
In the snow,
So-
yes.
This blue is pretty slippery.
This glue is pretty slippery, you have to be careful. What about a goat? Goat lives in the farm, Ares. Goat lives on the farm.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, what else? Where does a wolf live?
You mean a wolf?
Mm-hmm.
What does a camel?
Camel lives in the desert.
Wolf lives in the cave.
No, this
Wolves
is...
live in many kinds of men who live in cage. The wolf attacked the men who lived in cage. So they live in many kinds of cages that wolves have. That men who were lost.
Okay, Rohan, that is intense. That is real intense. Okay, so now we'll have to take out this.
No.
One we have to take out because it's becoming too big. Okay, now we have a sort of a square.
Can I have
It
them?
needs to be-
Can I have them?
Wait, Ares, wait.
Can I have
Okay.
the horses?
So the
No,
horse.
that's not.
No, Rohan, no, that's not how we behave.
Can I have them, Mama?
No, don't act like that. Okay. Okay. Do you want to make the horse stuff? No, we don't cry, we don't misbehave, okay? Triangle.
Make it big.
Make it big. Okay. You talk to me nicely. Don't cry. No whining. No whining.
Make it big.
So you talk to me normally. Why are you crying? You don't have to cry.
One is
There.
big.
It's big
And
now.
one is this.
इतने सारे थोड़ी होंगे, बस इतने हैं. रोहान, पूरा फार्म हमारा फेंस से खत्म हो जाएगा. Okay. Okay. Where does a buffalo live? I'm sorry. I will not make it like that. Where does a buffalo live?
In the jungle.
No, buffalo can live on the farm also.
No.
Well, buffalo can live in the jungle because buffaloes are in the jungle. You are right.
And Mama.
कितना बड़ा बनाना है रोहन तुम्हें?
Big.
Very big. You want to make all of it, like outline of the farm can be of this.
Mama.
I think that's not a bad idea.
See?
A dinosaur? Yes, dinosaurs lived in the jungle. And
No, dinosaurs don't live in the with animals.
it's okay, let him do it. It's okay, you do your thing. You do your thing.
Seals live in
Seals
the water.
live in the water, Ares. That's a walrus.
No, please.
But walrus, there's no
Mama, making
water.
Jurassic Park, not a farm.
No, we're making a farm. Okay, so today's class is what the kids want, perhaps, and not what Mama wants. Okay, where does
Stegosaurus
a
live?
lion live? Okay, in the jungle. And what about a ducky? Where does the ducky live? In the pond. So let's make a pond here. So I will get some blue paper. Okay guys, आप लोग यहीं रुके, हम पॉन्ड के लिए पेपर लेकर आते हैं. ये फार्म होते होते जुरासिक वर्ल्ड बन चुका है. ओके, मैं लेकर आ रही हूँ.
Dinosaurs can live also in the farm. Oh, it's not a farm, this is Jurassic World. Okay, great. Dinosaurs can
बहुत सारी होती देर से. नहीं बेटा, अब एडिट करना पड़ेगा जब मैं उठ के गई. चलो अब रोहान सिट डाउन.
My
ओके
dinosaurs will live.
ओके ओके. आपने कोई भी ब्लू पेपर लेना है, उस पे इस तरह का छोटा सा पॉन्ड काटना है और ड्रॉ करना है, और फिर हम इसको
Mama, can you make my ocean? Can you cut it?
wait. Can
Mama,
you wait?
make my ocean.
Make your ocean. Make you an ocean. Ares, sit down, Rohan.
Mama, can I cut it?
Yes, you can cut it after I'm done. Then I'll make you another one, and you can cut it first.
No, can I? Can't use the glue gun.
Rohan, you can't use the glue gun. Rohan, you're not allowed to use the glue gun, beta. Do you understand what I'm saying? Can you hear me? Rohan, can you hear me?
Mama,
Here, Ares, you want to cut this paper?
no, I want to use it.
Excuse me, please come here. No, this is not for you. Come here. Sit. Sit down and make your whatever you're making. What are you making?
A dinosaur land.
You're making a dinosaur land? Okay. But what about Mama's farm idea? What about that? Yes, the duckies in the pond. You want to give the pond a fence, Ares?
Your farm will live here.
My farm is in the corner and the rest of it is dinosaur world.
Yes.
But wouldn't they eat all the dinosaurs?
You mean all the animals?
Animals. Yes, I meant all the animals. Wouldn't the dinosaurs eat all the animals?
No, they will not.
No, they will not. Will you keep a keen eye on them?
Yes, they already have an eye.
They already have an eye.
They
But-
already have a keen eye.
A keen eye.
A keen eye.
A keen eye means that will you take care of them?
Keen eye, keen eye, keen eye, keen eye, keen eye. Keen eye, keen eye, keen eye, keen eye. Can you make my ocean, Mama?
Wait. Okay, this is the pond. Oh no, I have to get the gatta. Oh no. Okay, I will take this and make the house from this. Hey, hey, hey.
Mama,
You can ask him nicely.
Can I please have the paper? No. Mama, he said no.
You can take another scissor. Come. Come on. Okay, फिर हम लेंगे कोई भी गत्ता और उसका बनाएंगे हम फार्म हाउस. एक गत्ता लिया आपने और उसको सो इट डिपेंड्स अगर आपको 3D बनाना है या आपको फ्लैट बनाना है.